What's good, family? Thank you for tuning in to Astro Nori once again. If you guys enjoy any Supreme streetwear sneaker related content, go ahead and subscribe down below and click that post notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a video. So if you guys don't know already, I am participating in a giveaway where we'll be giving away 2 NBA sleeves, 1 black and 1 red. That giveaway is going to be done in like 3 to 4 weeks, so make sure you click that Gleam link at the top of the description and join so that you have a chance to win. Now today I'm going to do a Yeezy 500 blush review where I'll be talking about sizing, the details of the sneaker. I'm gonna basically cover the whole shoe, and then I'm gonna do an on foot for you guys as well. So let's stop wasting time and let's get straight into the video. So right here we got the Yeezy 500 box. As you guys can see, this one does not say Boost on it. It just says Yeezy 500 because this one does not have Boost, and they also took away this website from the box, so it just says made by Adidas instead of adidas.com under it. A lot of people have the sizing tag where it says Desert Wrap behind it, but mine actually doesn't. I feel like they took my old tag off and they just put this one on there. So I do have a size 10.5, and that's kind of my true to size. I could wear a 10, but that one's a little bit way more snug. So I typically go for the 10.5. Now here we got the shoe. Bang, right there we got the sneaker. Right here we got the Yeezy 500 blush. Now this is honestly a really dope colorway in my opinion. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. Now this is a really dope colorway in my opinion. I really love the cream colorway. The suede is really nappy on these. It just feels like really good quality, honestly. It has a strip of 3M going all across the little M emblem. Then it has leather inside right here. All of this is leather. So all these little parts, all those little pieces are leather. Now all around is the nappy suede on the pods. And then is the nappy suede up here. The little H shape is in leather, and then it has like this really thick mesh. I feel like these are one of the most comfortable Yeezys, if I'm being honest. After trying them on, I feel like it feels better than Boost, and that's just my very own opinion. It might be just because it has all this plushiness and the cushion. It's definitely comfortable. Now on the bottom we got this crazy ass design. I honestly really like it. It looks really dope. It gives it like more flavor. A lot of people felt like the sole right here was weird, but this is honestly one of my favorite parts of the sneaker. It just gives it more style. If you look at it from far, that's one of the things that you'll notice most, and it's just really dope to me. So I really like the sneaker overall. It has those mesh pods right here. So the Yeezy 500 blush, I honestly really like this sneaker. I like what Kanye did with the dad sneakers. These and the 700s are really dope, but what he did was the 700 has Boost. So that's like an intermediate level dad sneaker because it's a little bit more sleek, but it's still a dad shoe. Now this is full out dad sneaker mode. It does not have Boost, which is something that at first I was like, it doesn't have Boost, but this adiprene material is not bad at all. So I honestly really ended up liking the sneaker, and the way they look on feet is insane in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about this sneaker down below. Do you like the sneaker? Were you one of the people that were on the fence and after you got them, you were like, holy shit, this was actually worth it? Let me know down below. I honestly am really curious to know what your opinion on the sneaker is. I honestly love the shoe. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite sneakers in the collection as of now. As far as fit goes, I feel like these fit true to size because of all the cushion they have. They're not really a big sneaker inside if you think about it, because all this is on the outside, then they have a lot of cushion on the inside, so they do fit kind of cozy, and the padding makes them fit true to size. So I would definitely say go true to your size if you want the perfect fit, and if you want a snug fit, go half a size down. Now in my opinion, I would definitely say if you're looking to get one of these pairs, go ahead and get them as soon as possible because prices will definitely go up in the future. Just like with the blue tints that I have, I bought them for like $340 something, and right now they're sitting at $400 flat. This was definitely the first release, and it will go up through time. Trust me on that. Now, that being said, that pretty much does it for the video. I'm gonna do the on foot, and then we're straight up out of here. So if you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and click the post notification bell because it definitely goes a long way and it means a lot as well. So thank you once again. I appreciate all you guys for supporting. Now with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
You the shit with the college analyst. Young singing ass nigga might give college a dick with them black shiner hips. We collide in this shit. Oh, I knew you was a trick. You slip and slide in this shit. It be me and play Picasso. Ain't no metro in this soul. I be stunning, I be gas like it's petrol in this soul. And them bitches vote for me, it's like I'm Pedro in this soul. I be changing all my exes like a gecko in this soul. Yeah, riding around. shit.